Hey guys, it's James from Creators, and today we have another new product for you guys. So this is our foil crimper and burnisher. So it's a 2-in-1 tool, and you can crimp your foil with it and also burnish it once you're done crimping it. So let's get into it, and I'll open it up for you guys. So fresh out of the package, it's going to be ready to go, but I just want to show you guys what this is made out of. So this clear handle is made out of acrylic, and we make these in-house. On here is our Cutter Cozy foam grip, and then this is rolling on a stainless steel threaded axle, this thing right here, and it goes all the way through. And then there is a nylon bushing in the middle that these two conical rollers push onto. Now we've seen that some people are wondering about like different thicknesses of glass and stuff, and this is adjustable, and all you have to do to adjust it is push this in so it can go really far, or you can push it all the way out and then make it wide again for different thicknesses, or if your glass has texture to it. So it's fairly universal. I mean, if you're working with really thick glass, it may not fit it, but even so, this has some flex to it, so it may actually be able to fit over it. So now that I've told you guys a little bit about this, let's actually put it to use. So I already used our handy foiler here to apply the foil, but now I'm going to use this tool to crimp it and knock these edges down. Also, another nice thing about this is if you look at the shape of it, let me see if I can get the camera to focus on it. I don't think I can. But if you look at the shape of it, you can kind of see how it flattens out here. So it's going to be able to push the foil down perfectly flat. So let's just put this on this. And sometimes it helps if you're going from thick glass to thin glass to kind of just pinch these two bushings here a little bit to tighten it up. That way it'll get around it nice. So all you got to do is just the same motion using your thumb like the foiler, and just press it down, and as you can see, it's starting to just get pushed down really well. And now that you've done a nice pass on it, you're going to take this bottom end of it and just smooth out these edges to make them nice and flat. So after I've burnished it, you can see all these edges are nice and smooth, like so. Alright, so moving on to the next piece. This is a nice piece because it has small corners and also inward circles. So yeah, let me just get this started. And all you gotta do is just press it on and start pulling. And that's the nice thing about it, is it's very simple. And you know, you can take your time going around the corners to just make sure that you get everything pushed down on it. And I normally kind of give it a double pass, like once I go over where the foil started and stopped. That way I just make sure everything gets pushed down. So then for these corners, all you gotta do is just push it in and roll it through, and then just finish it out. If you miss any spots, just get them. And there you go. Now, all you have to do is just burnish it. Just push all these edges down. Smooth around there. And then just get the back side of it. Once again, just take time around the corners. Sometimes it does give you a little trouble, but with this it makes it easy to just smooth everything out. Now that that's done, these pieces are ready to be soldered together, and that will also conclude this video. So I hope you guys are able to enjoy watching how this tool is used and maybe have some questions answered. If they weren't answered, of course, feel free to comment down below if you have any questions, or just call the number directly in the description and we will answer whatever questions you have about the products. So thank you guys for watching and have a great day.